Well, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday morning. Currently about 8:30. Where are we going? Well, we're travelling up the A5 now, heading towards Swaddling Coat, basically the other side of Tamworth, because I've got my bike. It's booked in today with Steve at the ABikeThing. Basically we're going to have some bits and pieces put on. We're going to have the Denali D3s, the driving light with the lenses. We're going to have some bar risers, obviously the CAN bus. We're going to have the sound bomb fitted. All good stuff. At the end of the day, not everybody's cup of tea, and you could say it's tad expensive, but I'm a firm believer you get what you pay for. So I'd rather buy once, or pay once, and never pay again. I was looking on things like AliExpress, blah blah blah, eBay, all that malarkey. Yeah, things are cheap, but I don't want to be replacing them. So yeah, day off today. Going up there, have a chat with the lads there. Never met him before, but he seems like a nice bloke. Well, he's got to be, hasn't he? It's his business. But yeah, we'll go and have a chat. Probably going to be there most of the day. And let's see what the crack is. Oh yeah, I think I'm having the, yeah, well, I'm having, not think, I'm having the ammo guard fitted on the front as well. When I got the bike about a month ago, I'm well aware of how much these headlights cost. And you know, the state of our roads, etc. Didn't want nothing flicking up because it is a BMW. And I do believe that headlight is well over £1,000 to replace. So that thing I did buy off eBay, just a cheap one, temporary cover. It's about 20 quid I think. But yeah, that'll be coming off today and having the we'll be having the ammo guard fitted, which I think looks cool. So that'll do the job as well. Problem is I'm booked in for about 9:30, so I'm going up the A5 here. Should be there in about 50 minutes. Oh look, the unmarked police cars. Yeah, it was smashing off. So here we are, coming up to Gailey Island. That looks bad up there, traffic wise. Shall I go left? Yeah, I'm going to go left towards Penkridge and that way. Okay then. It's 20 to 4. The lads there at the ABikeThing, Steve and Tom, they've just finished. So now we're heading off home. Gotta say, fantastic service. Couple of really nice blokes. Chatty, having a crack. I know, they gotta be professional, but yeah. Endless coffee. Really, really good. In terms of the lights, really, really pleased. Got the Denali D3s on there. The tank emblems. And you can probably see the dash there. Got the M Sport dash, the logo, the boot up screen. Fair play. I think that's out pretty soon. But you have to do it through the 911, that little plug-in thing to cancel your bloody service and all that malarkey. It has to be done through that. The guy from ezCAN, he was on site today all day, so they decided to try it on my bike. Happy days. So yeah, I like the look of it. The boot up screen, the screen that's on now with the revs, nice. So yeah, a lot of waiting round for me, but I enjoyed the day. Went a bit of banter. Really, really good. What I'll do in the next video I do, probably I'll do all the mods I've done, you know, all the little bits of farkling, whatever mods I've done to the bike. I'll put that in the next video, do a walk around. So hopefully you tune into that and have a look. As I said before, a lot of these things, they're not necessary. The lights, I think they are, and the sound bomb. At the end of the day, it'll give you more presence on the road. If people can't see this coming now, then they're just genuinely not looking. So yeah, you know, it's all there so I can be seen, be safer. I will catch you on the next one.